Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an exciting gadget that promises to upgrade your driving experience. The WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. Is this the best dash cam for your car? Stick around as we go through its features, performance, pros and cons, and my final verdict. First off, let's talk about what's inside the box. With the WOLFBOX G840S, you get a 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam, a rear-view backup camera, a 32GB micro SD card GPS module for speed tracking, essential cables and mounts for installation. This smart dash cam is designed to replace your rear-view mirror, giving you a wide, high-definition digital display with both front and rear recording. 1. 4K Ultra HD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The front camera records in 4K Ultra HD, 2160p, ensuring crystal clear footage. The rear camera records in 1080p, which is more than enough for parking and rear monitoring. 2. Smart rear view mirror display. Unlike traditional dash cams, this one functions as a digital rear view mirror. You can swipe on the screen to switch views between front and rear cameras. 3. Night vision and HDR. One of the standout features is its Sony STARVIS sensor, which enhances low-light visibility. Whether you're driving at night or in bad weather, it captures detailed footage with minimal glare. 4. Parking assistance in GPS. The parking assist feature helps with reversing safely by displaying guidelines on the screen. The GPS module tracks your speed en route, which can be useful for security and insurance claims. Pros: high-resolution 4K front and 1080p rear recording, smart mirror display with touchscreen controls, great night vision with HDR and Sony STARVIS, sensor GPS tracking, and parking assistance included, comes with a 32GB memory card. Cons: requires proper installation and wiring. No built-in Wi-Fi or app connectivity for smartphone access. Rear camera cable may be too short for some larger vehicles. So is the WOLFBOX G840S worth it? If you're looking for a feature-packed, high-quality dash cam that doubles as a digital rearview mirror, this is a fantastic choice. The 4K resolution, night vision, and GPS tracking make it an excellent investment for safety and convenience. But if you need Wi-Fi connectivity or an easier installation, you might want to consider other models. Overall, for the price, the WOLFBOX G840S offers great value and premium features. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech and car gadget reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you already own this dash cam. I'd love to hear your thoughts.